Hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about the must-visit tourist spots in Eastern Samar. Eastern Samar is a province in the Eastern Visayas region of the Philippines, known for its pristine beaches, natural wonders, and historical landmarks. So, without further ado, let's get started with our tour. Our first stop is Borongan City, the capital of Eastern Samar. Borongan is known for its scenic coastal areas, such as LakBay Beach, which offers a stunning view of the Pacific Ocean. The city is also home to the Balangiga bells, which were taken by American soldiers during the Philippine-American War and returned to the Philippines in 2018. Next on our list is Solangan Island, a small island off the coast of Guyuan. Solangan Island is known for its crystal-clear waters and white sandy beaches. Visitors can go snorkeling or scuba diving to see the colorful marine life, or simply relax on the beach and enjoy the view. Our next stop is Divinubo Island, located in the town of Borongan. Divinubo Island is known for its stunning rock formations and clear waters. Visitors can go kayaking, swimming, or simply enjoy the scenic view. Another must-visit destination in Eastern Samar is the Sohoton Natural Bridge National Park, located in the town of Basi. The park is known for its natural wonders, such as the Sohoton Cave and the Sohoton Lagoon, which can only be accessed by small boats. Visitors can also go hiking and birdwatching in the park. Last but not least, we have the Balangiga Church and Museum, located in the town of Balangiga. The church is known for its historical significance, as it was the site of the Balangiga massacre during the Philippine-American War. The museum houses artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of the massacre and the town's history. And there you have it, those are the must-visit tourist spots in Eastern Samar. Whether you're looking for natural wonders or historical landmarks, Eastern Samar has something for everyone. So, if you're planning a trip to the Philippines, make sure to include Eastern Samar on your itinerary. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channel. Hit the notification bell to notify you every time we upload a new video. Keep safe and have a good day.